Hi, honey.
Hi, sweetie.
What you making?
Making lasagna.
Just you and Spencer? Let's see Spence. There he is. Kicking around. Ah, the bread's done. I think. Yeah, close.
Brown, does it?
Close enough. Last time they were overdone. What a wife. Making lasagna, homemade bread, and this is on her day off.
Just the kind of gal I am.
Perfect?
Are Shadow and Adam having a lot of fun out there?
Oh, a lot of fun. Figure if they go at it for an hour, they can use almost 50 cents worth of water, maybe. Of course, it's all going on the grass, so what the hell?
I don't know which one's having more fun, Shadow or Adam.
Well, honey, I'll let you go. I just wanted to get Spencer and you on tape. Aye. Well, this is our place. I'm starting in the bedroom where the recorder was, and just paneling around the closet there. The bed, of course. Cin's closet. Mike's closet. Spare closet. Master bath, which isn't real master or anything, but I can't get back far enough to see anything with this, so then we go down the hall. The other bathroom, shower, bathroom closet and stuff.